now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Yeah, these shoes are late, so you probably have already seen them, but I still wanted to show them just because this smug caught me off guard. So it comes in this untraditional red, still Nike Jordan 1 box. So you can tell it's a Jordan 1, but it's got this Nike red box, whatever. Even the paper on it says, limits like fears are often just an illusion. So it's pretty tough. Like you could tell they put a little thought into this shoe. And from what I'm seeing right here, this is fire. Like, I'm usually not the type to be like, all these Jordan 1s, crazy colors. I'm not a fan, but one, you put red on a Jordan 1, I almost have to be a fan. And then just the USC kind of blue with limits like fears, just an illusion. It's dope. It's dope. I'm gonna wear these and, I don't know, jump off a freaking cliff or something fearless. But I don't know, fearless ones, I think they're dope. I originally wasn't gonna keep them, but after seeing them in hand, I think I'm gonna keep a pair for myself. It's a beautiful shoe. If you're able to cop, I would cop. I think the price on these is gonna skyrocket at some point, and they're gonna be expensive. I don't know if that's a year or 2 years, but if you are able to hold pairs, I would probably also do that too. Also, Adidas has been doing these Adidas reservation things. I think that everyone should download the Adidas app, become an Adidas member, buy a couple things, you know, buy some releases while you're logged in, and you'll rack up points. And then when you have enough points, they'll start sending you, hey, we just reserved these for you. You got 30 minutes to buy them. And it'll be stuff like this, which is dope. Nike never gives me anything good. It's always a release they know is gonna sit, and they send me that. Adidas sent me these reserved like a week ago. That is, hey, it doesn't get any better than a surprise Yeezy. Just being easy to cop, log on. Don't gotta do no crazy capture, don't gotta wait in a waiting room or anything. You just get to cop. I already had a pair, and back when I got my pair, they were selling for like 500 bucks. Now you can just get them when Adidas says, hey, we reserved them for you. But yeah, I had to put in dues for my pair, so I'm proud of that. I'm actually proud of that. Yeah, Adidas reserved. It's pretty dope. It's a pretty dope idea. Oh, also, I don't know how many people are into like stuff like that, but Nordstrom sometimes will send you codes, and sometimes if you fill out reviews for Nordstrom, they'll send you off codes. So I was able to get Gucci flip-flops for 140 bucks. So yes, free game. I'm helping y'all. I don't know why I did it. Free game, man. Free game. Spread the love. But also, I want you guys to like the video if you want to see an updated sneaker collection video. I've downsized the collection, but I've kind of picked different things that I can see myself rocking. Like, I don't want a bunch of shoes that I'll just never wear. So I've downsized the collection a lot, and my last sneaker video was way back. So yeah, like the video if you want to see an updated sneaker collection. And that's about it. We're out of here.